what up? Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, man. If you didn't know, today's the first day of the Pattaya fireworks, or International Fireworks Weekend, you know what I'm saying? Where they have fireworks, you know what I mean? Basically like July 4th, but for 2 days, you know what I mean? And it gets crazy out here, you know? The traffic is like Bangkok traffic, you know? So I decided to get a room, right? Got a room at the Holiday Inn, which is right a couple steps away from the beach. And I paid twice the price. Because in my mind, I'm like, okay, well, I got a sea view, so I'll be able to see the fireworks, you know what I mean? I get to the reception area, check it in. She tells me, oh, by the way, she had a smile on her face too, you know what I mean? She's like, oh, by the way, you can upgrade for 7,000 more baht to see the fireworks. At that point, man, I wanted to strangle her, you know what I mean? And now keep in mind, these rooms are normally like, what's 4,000 baht? Like maybe $160 a night or whatever. I paid double that. And she wanted me to pay triple that to see the fireworks. So instead of me reverting back to my old ways, I proceeded to take my L and say, oh, you know what? I'll just check in my room and walk to the beach. Thank you. So that's what we're getting ready to do. We're getting ready to go see the fireworks. Waiting on man to get dressed and get ready. We got 2 chairs available for us. We had to pay for that, which is nothing, like 100 baht, like what's that, like $4 or $5 or whatever. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's I planned on I wanted to stun on you guys today, you know what I mean, but the stunt god said no, you know. So anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a nice little vlog, man. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, you know what I'm saying, because I planned on just being cozy right here on the balcony with my Hennessy bottle, you know what I'm saying, but the stunt god said no, you need to go and take your ass to the beach. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, take my ass to the beach.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god.
No view, huh?
Oh my god, อะไร How you see me people too much? Oh my god.
Too bad we're in the wrong damn room, right?
Oh my god. Babe, you see people นะ bow and you see. Wow. You see bow.
Yo, today's been a doozy, man. I thought I had a hotel with the view, with the fireworks. Didn't happen. Now my mic's not working. So hopefully it works when we get outside this hotel. I don't know. I did the upgrade on the software. I don't know what else to do, man. If it don't work, then you guys just gonna see. I'm about to do a voiceover or something like that. But you know, yeah, it's not looking good for the boy right now. I'm kind of aggy right now, but I got my Hennessy bottle with me, so he's keeping me sane.
I eat more นะ
Yeah?
I want to eat more.
You got my mics, right? You got the mics in your purse? The mics?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put by me. Yes.
Okay. I don't know why the mic's not working, y'all. I don't know. At least somebody happy. I'm aggy as fuck right now. I'm aggy as fuck. Yo, y'all pray for me, man. Y'all pray for the boy. These mics ain't cheap, man. I don't know why they're not working, y'all. Hopefully it works when we get outside. If not, you have to just, you know what I'm saying, just keep me sane.
โอ้ my god.
'Cause I planned on just being cozy right here on the balcony with my Hennessy bottle, you know what I'm saying, but read my sign language or something like that. Y'all don't really want to hear me talk anyway, so. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my Buddha.
Too much. Yes.
Too much. Jesus
My
Christ.
friend talk now ใน Plaza I work อ่ะ Oh paper walk too much go Newton go Central go Beach
I don't even know. It's over there at number 8, right?
number 8 I know I show him
This is why I don't want to come out here. Too many goddamn people. This is why I wanted to be on my own little balcony with my Hennessy bottle.
Oh my god cool
Now I gotta be out here with the fucking rest of these people. God damn.
police too much you see
Look at this shit, bro.
too much I remember food I show bin แล้วนอนบักเอกเลย
Number 8, yeah. Hello. Hello.
yesอันนี้ใช่เบอร์ 8ไหมค่ะหนูจองไว้2 คนพี่จ่ายแล้ว
Yeah, so y'all, the bad news is my mic's not working. I'm pretty pissed off, man. The mics is very expensive. I have no idea why they're not working, but we're gonna improvise though, you know what I mean? Nan's having a good time, right? Ain't that right, Nan?
I happy too much
I got her working, y'all. She gotta record the fireworks while I'm talking to y'all, but I apologize for the malfunctioning of my mics. But yeah, we still out here having a good time. We still got our seats, even though it wasn't the seats that we actually planned to have. But you get?
yeah
I'm too busy reading my messages that you're not even recording the fireworks.
wait Oh.
But today's been a doozy, to say the least. But we're making the best out of it, you know what I mean? I know, I see. This whole day been fucked up.
Wow.
Last they showed the fireworks in the balcony. I paid like Yo, I've been a fan of DJI since they came out with cameras, drones, everything. You know, I'm an avid consumer of DJI products, but I gotta say that I'm very disappointed in the performance of my mics. Man, I just bought them like maybe I don't know a month ago, and they were working fine. You know what I mean? But today is like they decided to just take the shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm pissed off about it because it's like it's the wrong environment for me to be talking directly to my camera. You know what I mean? But hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm sorry for any inconvenience, man. But it's crazy out here. It's crazy, but we're gonna still rock. The fireworks just started, so we out here just chilling, vibing, drinking on Hennessy. Jinkao.
ชนแก้ว
วันนี้นะคะนอกเหนือจากที่พวกเราจะได้มารับชมการแสดงโขนค่ะวันเทศกาลนะคะเป็นงานที่ต้องการันตีเรื่องของความแน่นอนสวยก็งดงามแน่นอนนะคะในส่วนของการแสดงยังมีการแต่งตัวในรูปแบบ
What you see? I want pee.
Feel good out here. Yeah, we back, y'all. Listen, man. I'm pissed off right now because I've had a bad day. Starting off with the fact that the hotel didn't face the fireworks. And then now my mic's not working. Still not working. Well, anyway, I'm gonna rate the fireworks. I'm gonna compare the fireworks to Thailand to America, right? I told Nan, I said, listen, Nan, the fireworks in Thailand ain't got nothing on United States, man. I remember as a kid, I used to go to the joints. I used to see the fireworks as a kid. I used to feel it in your chest, you know what I'm saying? And it made you want to cheer and all that. I didn't feel none of that stuff out here. Last year was kind of better, but it still wasn't as good as the ones in the States and all that. She disagreed, obviously, because she's from Thailand and all that. But how you feel about today's fireworks today, man? How you feel about today's fireworks? Was it good today?
Good, beautiful, everything good.
Beautiful?
Yes.
How you feel about the hotel?
Hotel,
Yeah.
good. I like.
You like?
Yeah, beautiful. Too much money.
Yeah. How much the hotel cost?
Oh,
Too much.
yeah. 8,000 baht Thailand.
8,000 baht.
Too much, but beautiful.
I just can't believe that they wanted to charge me an extra 7,000 baht to face the fireworks. And I'd have been, like, I was that close to paying it too. I was that close to paying it, but I said, you know what? No, we just walked to the beach. And I am so happy I did that because this year's fireworks, in my opinion, was trash. We actually left, a whole hour earlier. You know what I'm saying? It was putting me to sleep. Like, they did fireworks for 30 seconds. Not even a whole minute. And then they would break for 2 minutes. Like more than 2, maybe 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, what are we doing here? You got all these people out here want to see fireworks and y'all just bullshitting around. So I was like, you know what? I took my little Hennessy bottle, came back to the room, man. But anyway, man, I apologize for the malfunctions in my mic. I'm going back tomorrow to return these things. But that pissed me off so bad, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, man. I wanted to do more content, more diction, but I had no mic, man. You know what I mean? So I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Yo, and don't forget to check out my other YouTube channel, man. AI Aaron, man. You know, I put a lot of work in that video, man. So I appreciate all the new subscribers and all that. You know what I'm saying? To this channel, but just subscribe to that other channel too, man. You know what I'm saying? Like it's real insightful, man. You know? So yeah. Say bye to the people, man.
Go sleep.
Go sleep. You
Bye.
sure? You sure we gonna sleep?
What
All right,
do
check
you
it out,
do?
man. Why?
Bye.